Hi everyone, this is Anjul Pathak and welcome to my channel. And this is the part 2 of the series of practice questions for Tableau Desktop Specialist Exam. And looking at the exam format, it is of 60 minutes and it has 45 questions to be answered, and you have to score 750 to pass the exam. This is the content outline, and a detailed content outline, I'll leave the link for that in the description of this video. Just go through it. So we'll start with the practice questions. The first question is, the count distinct function returns the number of distinct items in the group. So that is correct. So they are asking, is it true or false that null items are counted as a separate item? Okay. So if you look at the definition of count distinct in the Tableau, then it clearly says that null values are not counted. Okay, each unique value is counted only once. So that's why the answer to this question is false. Okay, and we covered the concept of handling of null values in count distinct function. So the second question is, for any aggregated calculation, is it true or false that you cannot combine an aggregated value and a disaggregated value? So if you open the calculation editor in the Tableau and you type this calculation, where this is an aggregation and this is non-aggregated, then it will give you an error, cannot mix aggregate and non-aggregate arguments with this function. Okay, so always remember that you cannot mix aggregate and non-aggregate arguments. So they are saying that you cannot combine. So yeah, we cannot combine, then that is why this is true. And we touched the concept of handling of aggregate and non-aggregate values. Now third question is, when can the linear trend lines be considered significant? Okay, so they are talking about linear trend lines and they are talking about it being significant. Okay, for this I'll show you on the help.tableau.com, and if you search this topic called as add trend lines to a visualization and just go to assess trend line significance. Okay, and if you see here, they have clearly mentioned that a p-value of 0.05 or less is often considered sufficient. And if you see here, this is the answer, when p-value is less than or equal to 5%. A p-value of 0.05 or less is often considered sufficient. Okay, so sufficient or significant. So that's why this will be the answer. And we have used the p-value in the trend lines concept over here. Then fourth question is, what are the two methods Tableau use to determine seasonality in forecasting? So again, I'll take you to help.tableau.com and you search topic called how forecasting works in Tableau. And here if you go to seasonality, okay, seasonality, you will see that Tableau can use either of two methods for deriving season length. The first one is temporal method, okay, and the another one is non-temporal method. And we have that option, yeah, A option, temporal and non-temporal method, okay, for determining seasonality in forecasting. So we touched the concept of seasonality and forecasting here. Then which Tableau option would you use to distinguish marks? Now marks is nothing but a single data point and call out their position on the XY axis in the view. Okay. So there is a topic called drop lines. I will take you to help.tableau.com, and if you search this topic drop lines, and you will see the definition here, use drop lines to distinguish marks and call out their position in the view. So if you see here, we have 3 marks in this visualization and you can call out their position, X position and Y position, using these drop lines. So that is why they are called as drop, because you see a line dropping from that mark to the axis, determining their X position and determining their Y position, and that is why they are called as drop lines. So here the answer will be drop lines. Okay, and majorly drop lines are very useful in scatter plots where you have so many marks in the plot and you can easily gauge the x position and y position using the drop line. Now, is it true or false that you can manually sort data using a legend? Now, let me take you to Tableau site again. And if you search the topic called as sorting data, you just go here and you will see that they have clearly mentioned that you can also manually sort items in the view using the legend. Okay. You see this line? And they have given the steps also how you can manually sort items in the view using the legend. Okay, so yeah, answer will be true, and we use the concept of sorting. Now, is it true or false that fixed level of detail filters are executed before context filters? Now, to answer this, you will have to go through the order of operations. Okay, and if you see here, the context filters come first and then fixed LOD comes, and they are asking that is it true or false that fixed LOD filters are executed before context filters? No, fixed LOD filters are executed after context filters. So this is false. This is false, and we touch the concept of order of operations. Is it true or false that in Tableau bins can be used for continuous measure? Now again, I will take you to Tableau site and you can search a topic called create bins from a continuous measure. So this topic itself tells you the answer. Sometimes it is useful to convert a continuous measure or a numeric dimension into bins. So yes, in Tableau bins can be used for continuous measure. Answer will be true. So we use the concept of bins over here. Now the last question of this video, is it true or false that while building dashboards, strings and dates slow the performance down more than numbers and booleans? Now again, I will take you to Tableau website. There is a topic called optimize workbook performance, and if you go down here, they have few general tips on the optimization of the workbook, and here they have one point: strings and dates are slow, numbers and booleans are fast. So that's what they are telling. While building dashboard, strings and dates slow the performance. So yes, strings and dates are slow, so they slow the performance, and numbers and booleans are fast. So yeah, this will be true. So yes, true. So we touched the concept of optimization. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to my channel and like this video and press the bell icon to remain updated with my new videos. Thank you.